they're 6, they're 8, shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew, all with different roles to play. Around Tidmouth sheds or far away, down the hills and round the bends, Thomas and his friends. Thomas, he's the cheeky one. James is vain but lots of fun. Percy posts the mail on time. Gordon thunders down the line. Emily really knows her stuff. Henry, a toots and a halves and a pumps. Edward wants to help and share. Toby, he is wise and square. They're 2, they're 4, they're 6, they're 8, shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew, and all with different roles to play. Around Tidmouth sheds or far away, down the hills and round the bends, Thomas and his friends. We go down the hills and round the bends with Thomas